So guys, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Njeri Kabiru. I know you're wondering why we are smiling too much on that photo. You remember guys, I had told you that I had agreed with Justus. He's called Shared Moment with Justus on YouTube. He does life-changing content where he tells people's story and the pain they've gone through, and of course years later there is a change and growth. So I had a project that I was going to do the centerpieces for this day. It was a big day, as you see, and there are the centerpieces. Guys, you remember the video I did of where I get the bottle, then I showed you the wedding that I had the project, and now this. You can go back and watch where I get the bottles. I link a link below on my description box on how I do or how I decorate the bottles, so you can have an idea of what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's a big day. Listen to this and enjoy.
Ladies and gentlemen, as I finish showing you together as well, Justus, that lady is Justus.
I don't want to make a speech. I'm lost for words, and it's not time for speeches. I think we have just witnessed something that is heartwarming, heart-melting, and so inspiring that I'm just so energized to keep moving forward. Okay, so
mbele ya watu. Sasa acha niwachekeshe. Unaweza fanya video iwochiwe na watu wengi, lakini hao watu sasa ukiwekewa mbele yako, you become so shy. But I want to say first thank you to God for even allowing this moment to happen. When Justus said he has his first anniversary, I was like, this guy here is my friend. I do not know a more better person in the entire media than Justus. Justus, the one you see sitting here, is the same Justus who will talk to you over the phone. He is the same Justus who will guide you. I have grown so fond of what he does. I was a fan even before we met. And I know we don't like hearing this, especially sisi tunatakanga tenda wema nenda zako. But Justus, this room is full right now because you believed in yourself and you believed in your business. And you have paved way. Someone said something powerful. It's Gladys. She said, Justus, we give you pain and you give us your love.
So guys, it was an event that I don't think anyone would like to miss. Next time you can come. It's usually open to everyone and it's annually. I'm hoping, just as I hope I'm telling the truth. So anyway, it was a fun moment, had a lot of fun. It was a blessing evening. So next year, look out for a post whenever we say there's this homecoming coming together. And of course, we got awarded for telling our stories. You're welcome to come. So this is it for today. Have a blessed, safe day and enjoy. Till the next time, I'm gonna say ciao, bye. I love you. Bye.